Hi guys, welcome back. Now next video is like previously I have given the explanation about what is remote table. Now I'm going to create the remote table creation in SAP Datasphere. So for this, right, we have to go to the here data builder tab. Okay, make sure please watch the previous video that will help you idea about the remote table creation. What is remote table? Okay, now I'm going to create the remote table. So for this, I'm going to option import remote table option. Okay, here if you observe this one, okay, we have existing connections. So where this connection I'm getting. So basically, the connections are available here. When you are utilizing the SAP Datasphere trial version, so SAP is providing for us some connections. Those are like external system, which are all on-premise and as well as cloud related. If you see, this is SAP HANA Cloud and S4 HANA Cloud, and some are MSSQL on-premise system. So these are all MSSQL on-premise system. So these are the existing connections which we are using. Right now, I'm clicking onto the Data Builder tab. I'm going to the option here, import remote table. Now, I'm going to utilize S4HANA Cloud Public. Okay, S4HANA Cloud Public. Now, if you observe carefully here, so these are all like, JSON data. I will do one thing. I want to go with help of SAP HANA Cloud. Let me check. Okay, here we have some schemas. Inside the schema, we have the tables also. If you see DSP demo, here we have some tables also. Okay, we can utilize these tables. For example, I want sales orders. Okay, I want the sales order. So you just click on here, make sure business name, give it as a business. Now I want to give as a technical name like this one. You see here, technical name. And this is business name. Okay. Now import and deploy. You can click on import and deploy. It means it is going to import the as well as deploying that table also. Okay. So right now it is importing. Okay. So import table got successful. Okay. Now if you see here, let me click on this again. Okay. Now we have ordered. So this is the table name here, technical name. Sales order is the right. So technical name. This is the table. So this is the table I have created. Right now it is still in pending status. Okay. So deploy and step. Now it is deployed mode. Okay. So this way we can create the remote table. Suppose if you want to see the data, click on this table. Okay. Actually, you want to actually I want to say like it is a remote table. If you see these properties, it is giving the connection HANA Cloud DSP sales order. This is the schema name. This is the table name, and it is clearly telling the data access remote type. Okay, and here it is the column names. And one more thing, make sure whenever it is just having the structure, guys. It is having the structure. When you click on the view, it is going to fetch the data from the remote table. When you click on the view, it fetch the data from the remote table, not from the SAP Datasphere. Okay, so this way we can create the tables, guys. Okay, this way we can create the remote table by utilizing the remote table creation by importing the option. And one more thing, like for example, if you want to create a new connection, right? You want to connect to the new source system, whether it is MSSQL or Oracle server. So make sure you should verify the first connections here. Click on create connection. Then you need to, so these are the connection right now. Connection type 33s are supporting. Suppose you want to get data from HTTP by SAP HANA DB, right? All of these are the sources it is supporting. Okay, for example, we want to click on premise, right? So you can check an on-premise data also. And suppose you want to get from non-SAP systems, so you can like this, you can get the non-SAP system. These are all the systems. Okay. So this way we can get the remote table data to our data builder. Okay. So I hope you like this video, guys. Please watch my previous video. You will get a clear-cut idea. And I will try to upload more videos whenever I have free time. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe my channel. Have a good day.